Good morning. Hello, my dear students. I am Mrs. Hiba Hassan, and this is our first lesson, vocabulary lesson for primary 3. Pupils book, unit 1, lesson 1, page 12 and 13. As you know that this year we have a new character for this year. Before we start our lesson, we have to introduce these characters. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first one is Mandy. We have Jake. Jake and Mandy are sister and brother. We also have Kate, Robbie. Kate and Robbie are cousins. Finally, we have Uncle Oliver. Uncle Oliver is a scientist, and he is Jake and Mandy's uncle. All of them are on a holiday, and they live in an island which called Cortuga. As you see in this picture, we can see our friends on a beach. We can see here Mandy, Kate are in the water. Jake is out there, are calling them to go outside because there is a shark. When they get out of the water, they found that the shark is not a real one and it was a trick. They met Uncle Oliver on the beach, and he asked them to come for a lemonade, which was a great and good idea. Now we need to explain and see some examples for the main vocabulary of this lesson. The first word is shark. Shark. Sharks are the largest fish in the seas. They are dangerous too. There are about 350 different types of sharks. Okay, let's repeat the word again. Sharks. Beach. As you see here in the picture, beach. There is a palm tree on the beach. We go to the beach during summer holiday. Let's repeat the word one more time. Beach. Excellent, thank you. Okay, here we have scientists. Scientist. Okay, do you know that man? As you see, Dr. Ahmed Zuhail is a famous Egyptian scientist. Dr. Ahmed Zuhail is a famous Egyptian scientist. The scientist is the person who works in the science field, and he works to develop his country. Okay? Scientists are working hard to find a vaccine for COVID-19 virus. I hope you are following the safety tips at home. Idea. Let's repeat the word again. Idea. Idea is the thought which comes to your mind. You are thinking about something. It's idea. Idea. Some ideas are good ideas and some of them are not good. Okay, let's see some examples. Let's have some ice cream. Wow, it's a good idea. I have some ideas for decorating the room. If you have a birthday party or something like that. Ideas. Magic. Magic. Okay. What can you see here in this picture? Exactly. A witch and a frog. Let's see the example. The witch used her magic to turn the prince into a frog. Magic. Magic. Good job. Trick. 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 Okay, what is a trick? A trick is like a game or something is not real, okay? Here we can see a picture for a magician, and here are some of his tricks, the games which he can play. Let's read the example together. He frightened me. Wearing a scary mask was a stupid trick. Okay, frightened means to feel scared of something. He frightened me. I feel very scared when he wears a scary mask. It was a stupid trick. Another example. I like the magician's trick when he made the rabbit disappear. As you see here in the picture. Did you see a magician before? Okay, did you enjoy his tricks? Well done. Let's see the next. Mystery. Let's repeat the word one more time. Mystery. Mystery is something is unknown. We can't understand it. Something is strange. We don't know about it. Let's see some example to explain the word mystery. Many ships disappeared in Bermuda Triangle and we don't know why. It's a mystery. Bermuda Triangle is a place in the ocean. When the ships go to this place, they disappeared. Till now, the scientists don't know why these ships disappeared. It's a mystery for them. They can't solve this problem. The police officer couldn't solve the mystery of the bank robbery. As we said before, mystery means something you don't know it. You can't solve it. It's unknown for you. You don't know it. The police officer couldn't solve the mystery of the bank robbery. Okay? Some robbers come to take the money from the bank and the police officer couldn't find them and he couldn't know who are these people, the robbers. Okay? It's a mystery for them. As you can see here, the word is island. Let's repeat the word together. Island. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. Okay? As you see here in this picture, island. Let's see the example together. I want to visit Hawaii. It's a beautiful island. Now it's your turn. Can you use island in a sentence of your own? Yes, good job. Okay, having fun with antonyms. This is a very important part of our lesson. What does it mean, the word antonyms? Antonyms means the opposite, okay? Opposite. When I say up, down, right, left, these are antonyms words, okay? As we will see here, we will have some adjectives which we need to find their antonyms. Look at these adjectives and try to find the antonyms of the adjectives in red. The adjectives are written in red and you have to find the antonym or the opposite of this adjective. Let's read the first sentence. The man is old, but the boy is. I will show you a picture, it may help. This man is old, but the boy is young. Good job. The opposite of old is young. Old, young. Okay, I have a smart question for you, by the way. Old has another meaning and it has another antonym. When I say my t-shirt is an old t-shirt, in this case, what is the opposite of old? If I said old t-shirt or old car, old house. As I can hear you, good job. The opposite in this case will be new. Okay, old and new, old and young. Okay, Snow White was a beautiful girl, but her stepmother was. Do you know the story of Snow White? She was a very beautiful girl, but her stepmother was. The picture may help. Yes, beautiful, ugly. Good job, guys. Ugly is the opposite or the antonym of the adjective beautiful. Good job. Ready for the next? Look at the picture here. Okay, we have two different boys, right? Okay, let's read the sentence. In picture 1, boy, the first boy has black hair, but boy 2 has space hair. Look at this color and try to guess, what do we call this color, the opposite of black? Here it's not white, we can't say white. Okay, I can hear your answers. It's blonde, but in this lesson we have another word. Okay, let's read the answer. In the picture, boy 1 has black hair, but boy 2 has fair hair. So the opposite of black here, fair. Sometimes we can say blonde, okay? Black fair or black blonde. Ready? I was stupid when I jumped off the bike. I made something wrong, stupid, I made a mistake. But I am at playing chess. Do you know that chess? It's a board game where we can find wooden pieces, we can remove them. So it's a game, a board game. Okay, what is the opposite, or what is the antonym of stupid? Stupid. The picture may help. Stupid, clever. Stupid, clever. And sometimes we can say smart. Okay, the opposite of stupid, clever. Well done. Okay. What do we have now? Some important phrases. Some important phrases. In our lesson we have some phrases with a group of words. Phrase means a group of words which give a special meaning. We use these phrases to express a special meaning. Okay, these phrases are in our lesson. They are very important to know, and we need to know their meanings also. The first one, get out of. Get out of. Okay, what does it mean, get out of? I think it's easy and you can say it very easy. It means to go out of the place you are in. Sometimes your mom is asking you to get out of my bedroom. Get out of the class. Okay. Here is an example. They will clean the pool. Get out of the water. The second phrase is crazy about. Crazy about. We don't use crazy alone because the word crazy alone has a different meaning. Crazy about is a phrase which means you love this thing very much. It means that you love something very much. I am crazy about art. I like to draw. I like painting. Okay, let's see the example together. He is crazy about math. He can solve all the problems correctly. He likes math very much. Okay, next, famous for. Famous for. Famous for means to be known as. Okay, here in Egypt we have a very famous thing. It means to be known for something. Okay, everybody knows that Egypt has pyramids, right? All the tourists are coming to Egypt to see the pyramids and the Sphinx. Here is the example. What is Egypt famous for? It's famous for the pyramids. Okay, now it's my turn to ask you. What is Paris famous for? What is Paris famous for? Yes, I can hear your answers. It's famous for the Eiffel Tower. Good job. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you and see you next lesson, inshallah.